Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll be taking an in-depth look at the entire process of the goose farming industry, from the incubation stage to the meticulous care and raising of geese, aimed at providing valuable sources of meat, liver, and feathers. Join us as we delve into this unique and fascinating area of agriculture to gain a deeper understanding of the various farming methods, the potential benefits the industry offers, and the vital role that goose farming plays within the broader context of modern agricultural practices. In 2023, the global goose farming industry witnessed significant developments. China remained the largest producer, accounting for approximately 65% of global output. France maintained its position as the leading producer of specialty goose products in Europe, while Hungary and Poland emerged as growing exporters. Now, those stories are favourite for all of us. The international trade volume reached $8,200,000,000, with particularly strong demand from the Asian market. Sustainable farming practices are receiving increased attention, with certified organic goose farms rising by 28% compared to the previous year. Our journey begins at the egg incubation and goose breeding area, where pairs of geese are carefully raised to produce eggs. Unlike many other poultry, geese primarily feed on grass, though they require supplementary grains for optimal health. In these specialized facilities, millions of goose eggs are incubated annually through a combination of natural and controlled processes. The incubation period usually lasts about 28–30 days, during which temperature and humidity are closely monitored to ensure optimal conditions. After hatching, the goslings are prepared for transfer to the main farms, where thousands of geese are raised each season. The goslings spend their first month indoors under controlled conditions before transitioning to a combined indoor and outdoor rearing system. This initial phase is crucial for building their immune systems and establishing a healthy growth pattern. Temperature control plays a crucial role during this early stage, with heating systems maintaining optimal conditions at 28–30 DEC in the first week, gradually decreasing as the geese grow. The flooring is specially designed with suitable bedding materials to protect their developing feet and provide comfort. The ventilation system ensures fresh air circulation while preventing drafts that could harm the young birds. There are approximately 4 to 5 main breeds of geese commonly raised in commercial farming. The white goose breed is particularly popular for meat production, typically reaching a weight of 3 to 5 kg. Each breed has its own unique characteristics. Some excel in meat production, while others are valued for their egg-laying abilities or can be used for both purposes. The aquatic farming environment plays a vital role in goose development, as these waterfowl thrive in water-accessible areas. Swimming areas enhance growth and overall health. Modern farms often integrate sophisticated water management systems to maintain water quality while minimizing environmental impact. These systems include filtration and recycling mechanisms to conserve water and create optimal conditions for geese. For adult geese, the nesting areas are thoughtfully designed to encourage frequent egg laying, which is essential for the success of the breeding program. These nesting spaces are equipped with soft, comfortable lining materials and are strategically placed in quieter sections of the facility to minimize stress. Skilled farmers understand that content and stress-free geese are more likely to lay a greater number of eggs and raise healthier offspring. However, our documentary would not be complete without addressing some of the more controversial aspects within goose farming, particularly the production of foie gras. This well-known French delicacy involves a specialized feeding process where geese are kept in dedicated pens to promote fattening. They are fed a carefully formulated blend of ground grains and added nutritional supplements, administered directly to stimulate rapid liver growth. Although this method is deeply rooted in tradition in certain regions, it has generated substantial debate and concern regarding animal welfare practices within the industry. The feeding process leads to a significantly enlarged liver, weighing between 300–500 g each. Although still a premium item in French cuisine, it has fueled ongoing discussions about animal welfare practices in the industry. Some countries have taken legislative steps to address these concerns, while others maintain tradition under regulated conditions. The processing stage involves numerous meticulous steps, beginning with the careful handling of each product. For foie gras production, the liver is thoroughly cleaned and must undergo a strict quality control process. Modern machinery ensures consistent product quality, while a skilled workforce closely oversees sorting, handling, and packaging steps. Every stage adheres strictly to hygiene standards and regulatory requirements to guarantee the highest safety and quality for the final product. So, we have reached the end of our journey exploring the fascinating world of the duck farming and processing industry. While certain aspects of this industry raise ethical considerations, ongoing developments in farming methods continue to address these concerns while maintaining productivity. We hope this documentary has provided you with valuable insights into the complexities of goose farming and processing. If you found this information interesting, please share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our latest content. Every year, around 3 million pythons are farmed and processed worldwide, a staggering figure that reflects the thriving multi-billion-dollar industry. Python meat is not only used in traditional cuisine and medicine, but its skin has also become a rare material in the high-end fashion industry. But behind every luxury product or unique dish is a complex, modern breeding and processing process. Today, we will take you on a magical journey from python farm to products of global economic value. The journey of these remarkable reptiles begins on modern, highly regulated python farms spread across 20 countries, including Indonesia, Thailand, Vietnam, and several African nations, with China leading the way. In southern China alone, thousands of large-scale python farms and processing facilities exist, where experienced handlers care for these giant reptiles under tightly controlled conditions. These farms ensure that the pythons grow in environments that closely mimic their natural habitat, with stable temperatures, high humidity, and carefully monitored diets to promote both rapid growth and the development of their luxurious skins. Although there are over 40 species of pythons in the world, only two, the Burmese python and the reticulated python, have been domesticated for commercial purposes. From a tiny egg, each python goes through a complex life cycle before reaching commercial maturity. After a gestation period of 30 to 50 days, females are carefully placed in controlled enclosures to induce natural egg-laying behavior. Each female lays between 20 and 80 eggs per clutch, with extremely large individuals laying more than 100. During this time, maternal instincts are heightened and non-venomous pythons become particularly aggressive in protecting their young. Farm workers take great care when collecting eggs within the first hour or two of laying, balancing their own safety with minimizing stress to the mother. The eggs are then incubated in trays of moist sawdust or vermiculite, with precise attention to temperature maintained between 30 and 31 degC and relative humidity of 80 to 90%. Unlike some reptiles, the sex of pythons is genetically determined at fertilization, eliminating the need to manipulate incubation conditions to obtain sex results. Python eggs are fragile with soft shells without a protective membrane requiring careful handling. After 50 to 70 days of incubation, the babies are carefully removed with a surgical blade or scissors to ensure even hatching and sorted immediately. Surprisingly, newborn pythons do not eat for the first 7 to 10 days, living entirely off their remaining yolk sac. Subsequent feeding occurs every 5 to 7 days, with small frozen prey such as newborn mice, chicks, or specially prepared food. Unlike livestock such as pigs, which takes 6 months to reach market weight, pythons grow at an astonishing rate, reaching a commercial length of 3 to 5 meters and a weight of 10 to 20 kg in just 2 to 3 years. Processing. Processing pythons is a delicate but precise process by industry standards, designed to maximize both safety and product quality. The animal is initially immobilized, often with a rubber or wooden hammer, ensuring the handler is safe from the python's still stream reflexes, which can last up to 10 minutes even after being knocked unconscious. Gravity assists in the careful removal of the skin, peeling off inch by inch to avoid any tears or leftover meat, as even a small scratch can reduce the value of a premium hide by hundreds of dollars. The python meat, meanwhile, is separated, providing firm, ivory white muscle fibers with high protein content and a mild flavor, typically priced between $10.00 and $20.00 per kilogram. The fat, collected as small soft lumps, is processed into traditional medicinal oils, balms, and skincare products. However, it is python skin that has really caught the attention of the luxury market. Prized for its softness, natural elasticity, and distinctive scale patterns, python skin can cost more than $100,000, 0 cents for exclusive items, crafted by top fashion houses such as Hermes, Gucci, Prada, Louis Vuitton, and Sinclair. Once removed, the skin is treated with salt for 24 to 48 hours to remove moisture, odor, and prevent bacterial growth. The next stage is tanning, transforming the fragile hide into a durable, supple leather that can last up to 30 years. The tanning process uses chromium sulfate or plant-based compounds to fully penetrate the collagen fibers, followed by dyeing, which can preserve the natural tones for luxury products or apply bold fashion colors. Craftsmanship is paramount. Skilled artisans use a hand brushing technique to apply dye directly to each flake, highlighting the natural patterns and creating unique color bands. Polishing wheels, rotating between 1,500 and 3,000 RPM, help define the flake edges, create a natural shine and remove excess oil, while automated finishing sprays provide a protective coating to stabilize color and surface durability. Each hide is then graded from impeccable high-end grade up to $500 per square meter to lower quality grades intended for accessories or craft use before being stored in temperature-controlled warehouses. From these facilities, the hides are exported to fashion capitals including Italy, France, the United States and Japan, where they are crafted into luxury handbags, wallets, shoes and watch straps, combining natural artistry with meticulous human craftsmanship. If you found this exploration of the life and processing of pythons as fascinating as we did, be sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating stories about the world's most extraordinary creatures and the industries they inspire. Join us as we explore the complex intersections of nature, culture, and commerce, revealing the secrets behind some of the planet's most unique and valuable resources. Which came first, the chicken or the egg? This age-old question may never be answered, but one thing is for sure, every day, billions of eggs and millions of tons of chicken are produced, processed, and served around the world. From a hot omelette on the breakfast table to a golden, crispy fried chicken for dinner, poultry has become a mainstay of modern agriculture and culinary culture. But have you ever wondered, how do factories produce such huge quantities of eggs and meat? Today, let's explore the world of modern poultry farming, where billions of eggs and countless tons of chicken are born every day. In the past, poultry farming was simple but inefficient. Chickens were raised in small flocks in backyards. Eggs were harvested by hand and meat production was limited to local markets. Today, the story is very different. More than 1.4 trillion eggs are produced worldwide each year, with China alone accounting for nearly 35% of the global supply. The United States, India, Japan, and the European Union follow closely behind, fueling an industry that provides affordable protein to billions of people. At the same time, chicken has become the most consumed animal protein on Earth, surpassing pork and beef, with global production reaching more than 137 million tons per year. One of the most significant changes in recent years has been the rise of free-range poultry farming. Unlike conventional barn systems, where hens are confined in small spaces, free-range farms allow birds access to open pasture during the day. This not only improves animal welfare, but also reduces stress and allows chickens to express natural behaviors such as scratching, pecking, and dust bathing. Studies have shown that eggs from free-range hens often contain higher levels of vitamin D and omega-3 fatty acids, while the chickens themselves remain healthier due to less exposure to pathogens. In countries such as Australia, the United States, and the Netherlands, free-range systems are growing rapidly, supported by consumer demand for more ethical and sustainable food options. The journey begins with incubation. Carefully selected, high-quality breeding eggs are placed in automated incubators. Inside these machines, temperature and humidity are controlled with incredible precision, around 37 degrees Celsius and 55 to 60% humidity, to mimic the natural temperature of a mother hen. Incubators turn the eggs several times a day to ensure even development, and after 21 days, the chicks peck through their shells to begin life. After hatching, chicks are moved to specialized poultry houses designed to maximize their comfort. Each facility is equipped with automatic feeders, water systems, and climate control technology that regulates ventilation, cooling, and waste management. Before the chicks arrive, the houses are completely disinfected to minimize the risk of disease. Large-scale farms can house up to 100,000 chickens in a cycle, and within just 18 weeks, hens begin laying eggs at an astonishing rate. A single hen can produce nearly 300 eggs per year, meaning a commercial farm can produce hundreds of thousands of eggs per day. Automatic conveyor belts collect eggs directly from the nesting area without human contact, ensuring hygiene and efficiency. Globally, automated farms are capable of producing and processing 200,000 to 500,000 eggs per day, an output that would take a single person centuries to consume. From the farm, eggs are transported to processing facilities, where they undergo rigorous inspection. Handling systems use LED lights or digital imaging to detect cracks, impurities, and fertilization, eliminating any eggs that do not meet standards. In the United States, regulations require eggs to be washed and disinfected to remove dirt and bacteria. In contrast, European countries prohibit egg washing, instead relying on strict hygiene procedures during production to preserve the egg's natural protective cuticle. Regardless of the method, Eggs are sorted by weight and size, then packed into cartons with QR codes that can track their origin, expiration date, and brand information. In cold storage rooms maintained at temperatures between 10 and 15 degrees Celsius, eggs are kept fresh before being shipped to supermarkets and kitchens around the world. But eggs are just one aspect of the poultry industry. Chicken meat production is equally impressive. More than 74 billion chickens are raised for meat each year, supplying a global market worth more than $250 billion. At processing plants, humane methods are prioritized to minimize stress and preserve meat quality. First, chickens are briefly rested before being carefully stunned with low voltage or gas. Automated rail systems transport them through each stage of production, from blanching in warm water to plucking with rubber-fingered feather pluckers. Advanced scanners and inspectors ensure that only chickens that meet strict standards continue down the line. The state-of-the-art facility is a marvel of efficiency. Precision cutting machines can process up to 20,000 wings, 15,000 thighs, or 12,000 whole chickens per hour, each piece separated with remarkable uniformity. Breast meat is filleted using automated systems to maintain tenderness and juiciness, while thighs and wings are sorted for different markets. From there, the meat can be packaged fresh or processed into popular products such as chicken nuggets, patties, and ready-to-eat fried chicken. Now that you've seen the billions of eggs and millions of tons of chicken meat produced each year, what do you think? Are you amazed by the sheer scale? Or are you in awe of the technology behind it all? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this journey into the world of poultry farming, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any more stories.
Crocodiles, once considered primitive beasts lurking in the murky swamps of a prehistoric world, have undergone a dramatic transformation in modern times.
Nowadays, they represent not just survival, but sophistication. Behind the luxury handbags worth tens of thousands of dollars and the gourmet dishes served in high-end restaurants lies a global industry that farms, processes, and exports millions of crocodiles each year. Today, we explore the complex world of crocodile farming, revealing how these ancient predators are raised, cared for, and transformed into valuable products that fuel a multi-billion-dollar market. The journey begins at modern crocodile farms, some as large as 100,000 square meters, where tens of thousands of crocodiles are raised under controlled conditions. These farms operate in more than 30 countries, including Thailand, South Africa, Australia, the United States, and China, with Thailand leading the commercial export market. At the heart of this high-risk industry is a meticulous system that ensures both productivity and safety. Crocodiles may be born in captivity, but their primal instincts remain fully intact, making their care and handling a delicate task that requires experience and precision. Each crocodile's life begins with an egg, not much larger than a chicken egg, and each egg is important. During the breeding season, which typically runs from April to August, female crocodiles are released into semi-natural nesting ponds surrounded by soft, dry sand. There, each mother lays between 20 and 80 eggs per clutch. Because female crocodiles are notoriously aggressive during nesting, farmers must act quickly to collect the eggs before the mothers detect the intrusion. Using speed, skill, and courage, handlers collect the eggs within 24 hours and mark each one to maintain the egg's orientation and avoid damaging the embryo during transport. The collected eggs are then placed in an automated incubator set at 90–95% humidity and a temperature of 30 dC to 33 dC. Interestingly, the sex of the crocodiles is not determined by chromosomes but by incubation temperature. Eggs incubated above 32 dsG produce mainly males, while those incubated below 30 dsG produce mainly females. After 75 to 90 days, the baby crocodiles emerge, chirping to announce their arrival. These young crocodiles are transferred to specialized nursery ponds with water circulation, heating systems, and secure housing, where they begin the next stage of their lives. Feeding baby crocodiles is a carefully managed process. They are fed a high-protein diet of small fish, chicken, and commercial feed, designed to boost their immune systems and support rapid growth. Feeding occurs once or twice a day to establish a circadian rhythm and reduce competitive aggression. It takes about 2 to 3 years for a crocodile to reach commercial size, an impressive feat given their complex biology. During the fattening period, feeding is reduced to 2 or 3 times a week, but each meal is optimized for meat and hide quality. Crocodiles are fed a strict ration of no more than 10% of their body weight, preventing obesity and digestive problems, which can affect the value of the product. Once the crocodiles reach the desired size, they are humanely harvested using electric stunning, a method now widely used to comply with animal welfare. The stunned crocodiles are quickly tied up, their snouts bound and their limbs immobilized before being transported to a specialized slaughterhouse. Here, the carotid artery is severed to allow rapid blood flow while the animal remains unconscious, a process that preserves both the quality of the hide and the meat. The skinning process is one of the most important. Crocodile skin is one of the most prized leathers in the world, with perfect specimens costing anywhere from $300 to over $10,000. The most popular method is to cut the belly, leaving the soft, wide scales that luxury brands like Hermes and Louis Vuitton favor for their handbags and accessories. Using ultra-sharp surgical blades, workers carefully remove the skin, ensuring there are no scratches or blemishes that would detract from the value of the skin. The tanning process lasts between 5 and 21 days and involves soaking the hides in chemical or enzyme baths, infusing them with tanning agents such as chromium or vegetable tannins, and drying them under strict conditions. Further manual inspections are performed to determine the high-quality leathers suitable for the luxury market. They are then dyed in solid tones or artistic effects, such as ombre, metallic, or vintage finishes, before being polished and coated. Final inspections ensure that only flawless hides make it onto the shelves of the world's most prestigious fashion houses. According to global trade data, the crocodile industry is worth more than $1,500,000,000 annually, with meat contributing about 20% of total revenue and skins making up the rest. Thailand, Zimbabwe, and Australia are the top exporters, and newcomers such as Vietnam and Papua New Guinea are expanding operations to meet the demands of luxury brands. Regulators are now enforcing strict guidelines on animal welfare, hygiene, and traceability, especially for farms supplying the EU and US markets. If you found this journey fascinating, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Which part of crocodile farming surprised you the most? Would you wear crocodile skin or try crocodile meat? Let us know and stay tuned for our next episode to discover more behind-the-scenes stories from the world of modern farming. Every year, more than 1.5 million tons of sardines are caught worldwide, a staggering figure that makes this small fish the backbone of the global seafood industry. More than just a humble fish, sardines are an essential, nutrient-rich food source, appearing in the meals of millions of families, particularly through those familiar canned sardines. But behind every shiny can on the supermarket shelf lies an intricate journey of harvesting, processing, and transporting that stretches across continents. Today we'll take you to explore the remarkable journey of sardines from the ocean to the dining table in the global industry. The story begins at sea, where modern fishing fleets venture into the fertile waters of the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans during peak sardine season, which runs from late spring to early autumn. Unlike tuna that must be caught individually or mackerel that require drift nets, sardines are captured using a spectacular method called light trapping. At night, powerful floodlights are switched on, turning the ocean's surface into a glowing stage that lures massive shoals of sardines to the surface. Drawn by instinct, the fish gather into huge schools, sometimes weighing hundreds of tons. Once detected by sonar and radar, enormous purse seine nets are deployed, encircling the glittering shoals in a swift, silent sweep. An entire school can be captured in a single, precise maneuver, filling a ship's hold within minutes. From there, sardines are immediately chilled in ice bins or frozen in deep cold storage compartments at about -20 DECG, preserving freshness for the long journey back to shore. When the boats dock, the real transformation begins. Sardines are unloaded, size graded by powerful machines and transferred into insulated containers packed with ice. These containers head straight to modern canning factories, where fully closed-loop processing systems ensure hygiene, efficiency and speed. Upon arrival, sardines are immersed in large brine tanks. Coarse salt is sprinkled over each layer, and the fish soak for 2 to 6 hours. After brining, sardines are rinsed with high-pressure water jets, up to 50 litres per minute, to remove salt, sand and impurities. Clean and glistening, they pass through automated sorting lines where rotating discs grade them by size, ensuring each can meets strict uniform standards. With a capacity of up to 5 tons per hour, these systems handle volumes unimaginable just decades ago. After sorting, the sardines are processed by removing their heads, intestines, and rinsing them with cold water to remove mucus and impurities. Because of their thin skin, soft flesh, and small bones, the fish are fragile, so precision is required. Workers wear gloves, inspect them by hand, and remove any damaged fish by sight. On average, each person can process more than 1,000 fish per hour, then arrange them in stainless steel baskets with drainage holes. Before steaming, the fish are washed again in the baskets with clean water to remove any remaining blood and dirt. Some factories use automatic cutting systems with sensors, processing 5,000 to 7,000 fish per hour. Next, the fish is steamed at 100 and 110 dLC for 10–15 minutes to lightly cook the fish, making the flesh firm, reducing the fishy smell, and making it easier to pack. Some premium products may have their bones removed after steaming, but most are left intact to preserve the calcium and natural texture. After the fish has been steamed and cooled, the canning process begins. In small and medium-sized production facilities, the fish is placed into tin cans mainly by hand at an average speed of 30 to 40 cans per minute, depending on the skill of the workers. Meanwhile, in large capacity factories, the automatic canning system can operate continuously, producing thousands of cans per hour, ensuring uniformity in weight and minimizing manual labor. Depending on the specific process, some places will place the fish in the cans first and then add the auxiliary ingredients, while in some other lines the ingredients are added first, then the fish is placed on top. The auxiliary ingredients often include a few slices of carrots, hot peppers, chopped pickles, bay leaves or a few green peppercorns, all added by hand to ensure the right proportions and to preserve the traditional flavor of the product. After finishing the fish and ingredients, workers will pour tomato sauce, brine or vegetable oil into each box according to the prescribed quantity, usually from 100 to 150 ml. All ingredients are put into the box before proceeding to seal the seam, preparing for the next sterilization step. Next, the cans are transferred to a sterilization chamber where they are steamed at 115 to 121 dEC for about 30–45 minutes to completely destroy microorganisms and prolong their shelf life. After sterilization, the cans are cooled. The oil layer on the outside is washed off, then dried and labeled. Finally, the product is packed into cartons, usually 24 cans/carton, and stored in cold storage at temperatures between 0 dGSC and 2 dGSC until shipped. Beyond machinery and production lines, sardines carry deeper cultural and historical meaning. In Portugal, they are celebrated during Lisbon's June festivals, grilled on street corners and revered as a national symbol. In the United States, sardines once sparked an economic miracle in Monterey, California, where the booming canning industry of the early 20th century transformed a struggling coastal town into the sardine capital of the world. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey of sardines. Share how you enjoy this food in the comments below, And don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss more captivating stories about the world of food and agriculture. In just a few decades, the global wild boar population has exploded to more than 30 million, spreading across continents and becoming one of the most unstoppable invasive forces on Earth. They are more than just ordinary animals. They are ferocious, cunning, and increasingly intelligent every year, costing farmers and governments billions of dollars in agricultural destruction and environmental damage, from sniper helicopters to poisoned bait. From steel cage traps to high-tech remote-controlled gates, humans have tried just about every method imaginable to control them. To understand how millions of wild pigs are trapped and dealt with, we must first look at the battlefield in the United States. Here, more than 9 million feral pigs roam the countryside, a biological army so vast that if concentrated in one place, they would require an area larger than the state of Texas just to contain them. The problem dates back centuries to the 1500s, when European explorers brought wild pigs from Eurasia to the Americas for food and sport. Over time, some escaped, interbred with domestic pigs, and evolved into a hybrid force that was stronger, more adaptable, and more destructive than its ancestors. With no natural predators to keep them in check, they spread like wildfire, capable of wiping out entire fields of crops in a matter of hours. In this war, trapping has emerged as the most effective weapon, with the pen trap emerging as the gold standard. Built as large circular steel cages measuring 9 to 12 meters in diameter and about 1.5 meters high, these traps are designed to capture an entire herd of wild boar, a group of 15 to 30 animals in a single operation. Size is crucial, as capturing only part of the group allows the rest to escape, and survivors often learn to avoid the traps forever. An adult wild boar can weigh up to 200 kg and smash into a fence with enough force to bend the steel, so high-strength materials and sturdy construction are non-negotiable. Cheaper alternatives such as wire mesh or wooden stakes may save money in the short term, but often lead to disaster, as the boars simply smash their way out, turning a failed capture into a valuable survival lesson for the herd. Trap gates are the difference between success and failure. Modern operators often rely on remote-controlled drop gates equipped with cameras and sensors. This technology allows the trapper to monitor the herd from a distance and only close the gate when the entire herd is inside, avoiding the common mistake of triggering it too early. However, even the most advanced traps are useless if they are not placed properly. Setting traps outside these areas of activity is a recipe for failure. Wild boars are nocturnal, most active between 8 p.m. and 4 a.m., and their traps must be placed along familiar paths, near rolling points, roosting areas, or roads connecting forests to farmland. Once the trap is in place, the baiting phase begins. This step transforms the structure from an unfamiliar obstacle into a safe and attractive feeding site. The most effective baits are made from a fermented mixture of dried corn, expired milk or soda, beer or yeast, and fruit jelly. Left to ferment for 3 to 5 days, the bait will develop a strong scent that travels far and wide and will keep boars digging for extended periods. The bait is first spread around the outside of the trap and gradually moved inward over several nights, encouraging the pigs to enter unsuspectingly. Some trappers bury the bait 20 to 30 centimeters deep to allow the scent to linger longer and encourage natural feeding behavior. The baiting phase can last from 3 to 7 days, during which time the gate remains open, allowing boars to come and go until they are completely comfortable inside. The timing of the gate closure is the most delicate decision in the process. Triggering too early will only capture a portion of the herd, while waiting too long risks losing the entire herd. Experienced trappers often rely on cameras to monitor the herd's behavior, waiting until 70 to 90% of the herd has entered the trap several nights in a row before taking action. Once the gate is down, the boars will react in panic, charging at the fence, trying to climb it, or trying to break through. This is why the capture team must react quickly, ideally within 1 to 2 hours, to secure the herd before they injure themselves or damage the trap. While in many parts of the West, wild boars are captured and culled, some countries have turned the problem into a lucrative industry. In China, for example, farmers crossbreed wild boars with domestic pigs to create hybrids that retain the lean, delicious meat of their wild ancestors while being easier to manage. The animals are raised in vast semi-wild pens designed to mimic their natural habitat, complete with mud puddles and open spaces to roam. Farmers prioritize hygiene, herbal supplements, and natural disease control over heavy use of antibiotics, with each animal tagged for traceability. After 10 to 12 months, they reach market weight and provide around 100,000 tons of premium meat each year, fetching 3 times the price of conventional pork. The approach has turned a once destructive invasive species into a valuable agricultural resource. The war against wild boars is far from over. Their intelligence, adaptability, and explosive reproductive capacity make them one of the most formidable invasive species in history. But with the right combination of technology, strategy, and sustainable management, we can protect ecosystems while creating new economic opportunities. If you found this journey into the world of wild boar trapping and processing fascinating, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this global challenge.